Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. If you guys are new to the channel, stopping in for the first time, my name is Ryan. I will be your host as always. But right now we're here at the Bellagio. I'm going to do a quick room review for you. 19068 is the room that we got here at the Bellagio. Show my door here. Alright, so as with any Las Vegas hotel room, they always give you the map in case of a fire, where to go. Never take the elevators, always take the stairs, guys, because in case of a fire, if it cuts the electrical, you won't want to be caught in your death trap there. But anyway, off to the right, it's a nice little entryway. I kind of like this. There's a full-length mirror on the left-hand side here, so if you want to check out how good you look before you head out to the boulevard at night, you certainly can do so. Over to the right is the bathroom here at the Bellagio. Wife's in here checking it out. They got a nice, deep tub here, so if you're kind of tall like me, they have a really deep tub. I don't know if you guys can see the depth perception with that there, but anyway, this is the nice bathroom. I like kind of the decor and the way they have it set up. Kind of wish they had a dual vanity sink, but not that big of a deal. It's just the wife and I, so we're not really fighting for counter space too often. The commode right over there, you have a stand-up shower over here, so if you wanted to take a shower, you still could do that. If you wanted to take a bath, you could do that too. They provided plenty of towels for the two of us, so no complaints, no issues there. Check out what they got. Usually they got some cool stuff in these drawers. Nothing there. Check out the other one real quick. Hair dryer. So if you guys need to dry out your long hair, guys or gals, you can do that. Some awesome real glassware here. That's kind of a plus. Had that at MGM in this Grand Tower room, but not in the Executive King that my buddy was staying at, which was weird because the Executive King was more than mine. Ooh. All right, so kind of ruined the best surprise for you. So right here they have the drapery and shears where you can open, stop, or close at any point. And then they also have the window where you can open or close the window, because we did get a smoking room. So if you are smoking, you definitely can open the window with that button there. And this is the kind of the bedroom area here. I like the art decor that they have in here, really well laid out. Everything looks kind of cool, modern, unique. I like the blue themes as well. My car is blue, so I'm a big fan of the blue. This painting over here is pretty sweet. Kind of basic. When you got the iHome thing for your iPhone, you can plug that in, listen to music, whatever, iPad, iPods. Nobody, I don't think, uses those anymore, but anyway, we'll still mention it. Right now we have, what room did we get, honey? The Fountain View King Bellagio room, I think is what this room is. But anyway, the bed kind of has a nice little sitting area, so when you're taking off your shoes after a long day of walking the boulevard, you can do that there. In here they do have a nice little lock on the mini bar, so if you have the mini bar and you don't want people to get into there, you certainly can lock that up. Not a bad idea, but they have, I mean, everything you could imagine. Little individual shots here, don't touch those, they're pressure censored. I almost fucked up and did that. Oops. And yeah, my buddy messed up, got that guy last time, the bottle of Grey Goose. There's a $50 restocking fee. So if you take anything, $50 to restock it, and it doesn't matter if you take the Grey Goose or if you take a Coors Light, it's $50 regardless of what you take for them to restock it. So be careful for that. Haven't found the safe in this room yet, but haven't really looked. I guess I'm kind of exploring this with you. We just got into town, so I kind of like to check out the room with you guys. Is it? Oh, I don't know, probably. I think we may have found the safe. I think she said it's over in my nightstand, but anyway, here's the TV. I kind of like the little wall login thing. You can put power cords right here, USB. I don't know if the USB work or if the power ones are crappy, but like I had a viewer suggest, I always bring a big power cord for you guys, so I can charge all my camera gear all at once without having to fight for outlets within this place. So she is right. She did find the safe. It is right here within this part of the bed. I guess my side of the bed. I always sleep on the left. She always sleeps on the right, but Anyway, nice little seating area here. Can't complain. I think so. Normally I check for cleanliness, things like that, and I usually critique it a little bit. Haven't really found anything here that's made me too concerned as I had in rooms past at some of the other resorts and casinos here in Las Vegas. So good seating area right here. So if you're gonna do like an interview type of setup or a face-to-face type of interview, this would be a great spot to do that for YouTube if you're meeting another YouTuber out here. This time we actually aren't. I don't think anybody's gonna come out. I guess I could meet up with Jacob, but I'll have to reach out to him first before doing that. But anyway, you know me, I like to save the best part for last, as always with all these things. I can show you this closet. They actually provide you with some Bellagio robes so you can treat yourself to elegance and luxury. Wrap yourself in luxury, it says. Robes, pillows, and slippers, other guest room items are available at Tuto, extension 77762. Funny thing is I actually changed my phone number before we came out here, guys, and I have a 777 phone number. So I hope to God that means luck on this end, because we all know that we need it. Nice little desk area. So this will be the workstation. This will be where all the YouTube videos are going to be cranked out for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy some of that new content that we have here to come. Baby, if you want to open up, hit both. And then, like I said, we have tons of videos. We just got into Las Vegas tonight. Here, help me kill some of these lights, honey, so you can actually see. Hold on. Got like 500 lights on here, so I have good lighting for this room review for you guys, so bear with us just a second. There's switches on either side of the bed too to take those out. All right, guys, so check this out. This is the best part of this room. So we got a fountain view room, guys. The fountains are actually going off as we speak, but look at this view. It is freaking amazing, guys. Absolutely amazing. You can see all the way down to the MGM here, if you can follow my big pointy finger there. Cosmo's right there. We have Planet Hollywood straight across. We have Paris. Look at the Eiffel Tower, guys. It's glittering up and down, and it's the colors of the Paris flag. So blue, white, and red over there at Paris. Me and the wife stayed at Paris the last time. We had a decent room. If you guys want to check that out, I think that was March of 2018 that we stayed there, and I did put that room review up on YouTube, so if you guys want to see that, dig through some of the older videos and you guys will be able to find that video there. It actually was a pretty decent one, so not too terribly bad. Kind of old camera equipment when I did it, but oh well, you can't win them all. Flamingo directly across the corner, Bally's right over here, and then Caesars is going to be straight across this way. I don't know if you can see the edge of the Bellagio here, which is all blocking it, but oh no, that is Caesars actually. Sorry. Flamingo right here, Las Vegas Boulevard right here. So if you see all the traffic moving right here, that's the intersection that they're at right there. But yeah, I'm gonna get a super awesome time lapse of this here at night for you guys. So I'm gonna end the video off with the time lapse, but I hope you guys enjoy the new content here from Las Vegas. I appreciate all of your continued support. Be sure to share these videos with your friends and family. Get the word out there that we're back here in Las Vegas, because you guys killed it, man. I mean, the strip walk that we did like a month and a half ago, we hit, I think it's at like over 80,000 views, and that was literally within 3 weeks we hit 80,000 on that thing. So you guys pushed that video. I plan on having you guys push these other ones that we do. So if you guys have friends or family that love Las Vegas just like we do, be sure to share this channel with them and help grow this to 100,000. But this channel is all done because of viewers like you, so thank you for your continued support, and I'll leave off with this awesome time lapse of these fountains.